What is up, y'all? It's Chloe Chantel, and we back with another one.
Bitch, I can body your clique. They must be stupid, cause I've been that bitch. Bitch, I'm so flossy, you know I'm lit. Look at my shoes and my neck and my wrist. They told me be humble, I'm like for what? I done been down, little bitch I'm up. Shit on the hater, that's what I do.
So for today's video, I'll show you guys how I get this ponytail or whatever. I don't know why I feel like I need to stand on my tippy toes. I just feel like, I don't know. Anyways, I'll show you guys how I get this sleek ponytail using extensions. It's really simple, really easy, really quick. So if you want to see it, keep watching. Before we get into it though, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Y'all sure already know that was coming. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click the bell. Follow me on social media. They all in the description. Follow my lash line, because it's coming really soon, for real this time. I say it in every video, but it's really like getting sooner and sooner like every time I say it. So I'm not like capping and it's really on the way. So be on the lookout for that. And yeah, that's all the announcements I have to make. So let's get into this video. Okay, so I kind of already started. And then I was like, I need to film this. So why not? My hair is straight and it's old. So I'm just gonna make do, you know. So I'm using this Murray's beeswax or Murray's hair dressing pomade. I think it's still considered beeswax though. It's not. Nowhere on here does it say beeswax. They didn't have the other kind that literally, that's like yellow and it says beeswax. This is all they have, but I think it's the same. So what I do is I just take like a lot of this and just use it to slick my hair. I don't use gel because it'll make my hair curl up, and that's not the point. The point is for it to be straight. So I use this. So instead of using like a regular little hair tie because it doesn't really like grip my hair good enough, I use this and I just double it like that. I like to wear the ponytail kind of like to the side, to this side. What side is this? My left side. Dang, I don't know my left from right. I like to wear my ponytail to this side, so I bring my real ponytail over to that side, you know? I don't put it in a ponytail that tight the first time because it's really just like, because I'm going to end up having to do it over anyway. Then once I have it in the ponytail, I just brush it again. Really just trying to make sure everything is really sleek, really flat. And then I take the ponytail loose and basically just do it again. Okay, so once my hair is in the ponytail, I kind of start working on my edges. For my edges, I'm going to be using Edge Booster, but I'm going to use a little Eco Styler with it because if I use this by itself, it gets white and crusty, and we don't want that. I realized that I think when I use Edge Booster, my hair has to be wet. If not, I think that's what causes it to get crusty. Now I'm going over my edges with the edge booster. I personally like to have like little pieces out on the side. That's just me though. If you don't like that, then don't do that, obviously. Okay, so obviously you can either leave your regular hair, your real hair, or you can add weave. I'm gonna be adding weave because I like inches. Don't get me wrong, boo, I got inches, but I want some longer inches. And now I'm just going to braid this piece of hair, my real hair. And you're gonna need a rubber band to secure the end. You can add like braiding hair if your hair isn't long enough or whatever, but I don't feel like doing all that, so. The way that you're gonna secure the tracks is with bobby pins. And once you have a bobby pin, you're just going to simply wrap the track around your braid. You're just gonna keep wrapping it around, and then you can just bobby pin whenever you feel the need to. You don't have to bobby pin it every time you wrap it around. Continue wrapping, and then I'm gonna add a bobby pin. It's literally just a repetitive process up until you're at the top. And since I use such a big like hair tie to put my hair in a ponytail with, it's good that I have like a lot of track left to be able to cover that. If you feel like you've covered it enough, then you can obviously cut the track, but I don't want to cut the track, so I'm just going to keep going. And once you have just a little bit of track left, you're going to bobby pin it again. I like to bobby pin that part twice. And then what you want to do is take a piece of the ponytail, from the bottom, and you want to wrap it around. And once again, I like to do bobby pin this twice as well. Sometimes 3 times. And then boom, you have your ponytail. I usually wear my ponytail like this, like to the side. But since it's shorter than usual, I'll probably just keep it to the back. I don't know. But this is literally like my all-time favorite look on me. I don't know why. I just feel like it's really cute on me. Maybe I'm boosting, but but yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell so you can be notified whenever I post videos. You know the regular. Also, make sure you follow me on all social medias. And they'll be in the description. Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all that. All of it is in the description. And also make sure you follow my lash page on Instagram. That's also in the description. I will be dropping these lashes very soon. I feel like I've been saying that in like the past few videos, but each video is getting sooner and sooner, so be on the lookout. These are lashes from my lash line, and I've had these on for like 4 or 5 days. No joke, like dead. I sleep in them, shower in them, and they still good. You feel me? So, but with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.
I'm not so selfish if you need it.